We could have kind of hit the easy button, taken the path of least resistance, gone to some of our mid-efficiency products, which are larger, more expensive units, and re-rated them down to the new efficiency standard. We think there are some manufacturers that are going to take that approach, and so they're going to see bigger systems, less optimized combinations, and really a more challenging product to handle, install, sell to the homeowner. We didn't want to do that. We saw this as another opportunity, kind of a sea change that Rheem could take advantage of by investing into new product design, new technology, new manufacturing capabilities to really optimize these new systems for the new standard so that we have the smallest units possible, the best system combinations that are going to make them easier to install, and really some really exciting new diagnostic and commissioning features that are going to make life easier on the contractor.